Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson we are going to start with part 1 of our grade 11 accounting partnership activity. We are looking at A and B partners, a partnership owned by Ayanda and Bongani. In this video we are only going to focus on the capital note, and in the next video we are going to use this same information to complete the current account note. So make sure you understand this part properly, because the capital balances will also help us when we calculate interest on capital in part 2. So to introduce this question, it says here the financial year ends on the 28th rather of February 2026, and it says this information is from the pre-adjustment trial balance which we are given, containing the following capital balances. So the capital balance for Ayanda is 500,000 and for Bongani is 400,000. Now the question also gives us additional information which says Ayanda increased her capital by 100,000. So this is an increase, which is a plus, on the 1st of September 2025. This has been correctly recorded. And it also says Bongani reduced his capital contribution by 50,000. So I'm going to highlight that. So I'm going to say minus here, on the 1st of December 2025. So these dates are very important, and also the information says this has been correctly recorded. The question tells us that both of these transactions have already been recorded. That means the capital balances given in the trial balances are the closing capital balances. Now to explain the note, this is the capital note. The capital note shows how each partner's capital moved from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. So you can say it shows movement in capital, and also it shows the balance at the beginning as well as the balance at the end. So it contains the balance at the beginning, additional capital contributed during the year, withdrawal of capital during the year, as well as the balance at the end of the year. So we need to complete this note for both Ayanda and Bongani. So let's start with Ayanda. Ayanda's closing capital is 500,000 as per the pre-adjustment trial balance. She increased her capital by 100,000 as per the additional information during the year. Because this increase has already been recorded, we need to work backwards to find the opening capital balance. So I'm going to write the calculation under the calculation page. So we say for Ayanda, we are going to say 500,000 minus 100,000, which will give us 400,000. Therefore, Ayanda's capital at the beginning of the year was 400,000. So this is Ayanda's balance at the beginning for the capital. Now let's go and complete Ayanda's column in the capital account. Balance at the beginning, as we have calculated, is 400,000. Additional capital that she contributed during the year is 100. 500,000. Withdrawal during the year, 0, because we are not told of any withdrawals of capital that she made during the year. Balance at the end of the year should be 500,000, this one that we have been given. All right, so remember this important rule. If a partner contributes extra capital during the year, the closing capital will be higher. So to find the opening capital, we must subtract the additional capital from the closing capital. That is why we subtracted 100,000 from the 500,000. Okay, moving on. Now let's look at Bongani. According to the information, Bongani's closing capital is 500,000. He reduced his capital by 50,000 during the year as per the additional information. This means that he withdrew capital from the business. Because the withdrawal has already been recorded, his closing capital is lower than his opening capital. So we must find the capital, and what do? We add it back. So we must find the opening capital and we add back actually the withdrawal that he made. Okay, so let's go to the calculations. So we're going to do the calculation for Bongani. Let me use the red color for consistency. So what are we going to do? We are going to say the 400,000, which is the closing capital. We add back the 50,000 that he withdrew. So let me do this. I don't know. Yes, plus the 50,000, which will give us 450,000. Therefore, Bongani's capital at the beginning of the year was 450,000. So this is his balance at the beginning. All right. So now let's complete Bongani's column. So at the beginning of the year, his capital balance was 450,000. No information has been given to us regarding any additional capital that he might have contributed. His withdrawal during the year is 50,000. This one has been given. And then his closing balance at the end of the year is 400,000. So the common mistake that learners often make is to write the trial balance amount at the or as the opening capital. Do not do that. The capital amount in the trial balance is the closing capital if the additional capital and withdrawal of capital have already been recorded. So that means you must always read the additional information carefully. So in the next video, we are going to use these capital balances to complete the current account note. We are going to calculate the partner's salaries, interest on capital, Bongani's bonus, primary distribution, final distribution drawings, as well as the closing current account balances. So make sure you watch part 2 because that is where the full profit distribution takes place. That brings us to the end of part 1. Today we have completed the capital note for Ayanda and Bongani. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share it with another accounting learner. I will see you in part 2 where we complete the current account note. Thank you.